welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know me, my name is Shantel. My Instagram handle is below. If you are new to my channel as well, make sure you click subscribe. In today's video, we are creating this sexy wet curl look with very simple steps and very affordable products. If you guys are interested on how I achieved this wet look, then keep watching. So I actually washed my hair 2 days ago, and sometimes when I'm really lazy, I just place it in a curly bun, but as you can tell, it's really dry and needs to be refreshened. First things first, you want to grab your water bottle. So we're going to take that same water bottle and then just spray that all over your hair. You want to make sure that it's damp, but not completely damp. That way it's easy for you to detangle and really get through those knots and the curls. You can actually purchase this water bottle from Dollarama, Dollar Tree, any dollar store, to be honest. We are now going to grab our wet brush, and wet brushes are actually really good when it comes to detangling hair. I actually purchased this from my beauty supplier store once again. If you're from Canada, you can actually get this from BSW. So I always start off brushing my ends first, so it's easier for me to comb out all at once. I'm going to take my water bottle again and then just damp any areas that I've missed. That way my hair is all equally wet. As you guys can see, I'm really combing through the back of my hair really well, just because I want the water to really spread and making sure that it's all equally together. So now that my hair is all properly combed out, I'm now going to take in my leave-in conditioner from Lottabody, and this is actually one of my favorites just because it's very strengthening to my hair and it really does wonders. And I'm just going to evenly spray this product into my hair. I'm now going to take Cholesterol with Argan Oil Hair Conditioning Cream by Queen Helene, and you can get this from your local beauty supplier store once again. And I am going to take a good amount just because I do have a lot of hair and I really do not want to have frizziness throughout the day. So now, since that conditioner is all in my hair, I'm going to take that brush and then just brush all that product through. Using this product has honestly helped me a lot. I get a lot of compliments on my hair. Why is it so, soft and so shiny? It's this product. Now I'm going to take my oil moisturizer hair lotion from Pink, and we're just going to shake that up a little bit and dispense that into my hands, and we're going to apply a good amount. This product is made with jojoba oil to soften and silken your hair without feeling greasy. But I also like using this product a lot as well just because it does help with breakage and my hair tends to always fall out. So this guy actually helped a lot when it came to that. The next product I'm going to take is from Cantu, and this is a Define and Shine Custard. I'm a huge fan of Cantu, and Cantu honestly does my hair justice. Like, it really does boost its curls. I actually was brought this product by my boyfriend's sister. She actually gave this to me, and I started using it, and I fell in love instantly. So now that my hair is moisturized and refreshed, I'm now going to take my Ecostyling Gel, and I'm just going to slay my baby hairs. So there you go, guys, and that's it. Very easy, very simple. They're very affordable products. I will leave the products in my description box below. If you guys want me to do more things and more types of videos, like I said, comment below, follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel. That way you guys can be notified on different types of videos that I will be making. That being said, I hope you guys liked my video today, and stay tuned.